We have been working this morning and now it's time to start the day with breakfast, and breakfast is actually included in this hotel, which is pretty awesome. And it has been raining, which I haven't heard. I slept like a baby, I guess. But yeah, breakfast is coconut yogurt with some fruit. I haven't seen it, but they told me. So let's check it out together. And this is the tea station I've been telling you about. So you just get yourself a cup, add some hot water to it.
Working all night? What did you start?
This is our breakfast. We have a lot of fruit and some granola. And I want to take a picture with it because it looks so pretty. Look at the dog. For green juice, here we go.
Potent. Nice.
I'm not really a big green juice lover, but actually it's pretty nice, pretty refreshing. It tastes like cucumber. And this dog is just so sweet. Goodbye.
Do you think that's a silk?
I would love to.
Nice. So could you now stop showing off? All the dogs are like, wow!
We're here at the Alchemy and we're creating our own smoothie bowl. This place is so nice. Everything is raw and vegan. It's not coconut, it's cashew, vanilla, something. But yeah, just look at this place. So good. I love not to sit on a table, but to actually sit like this. And I got, yeah, the cashew vanilla milk with pineapple, mango and watermelon, some granola, and the chocolate whipped cream. You like it? Mm-hmm. He's really digging into it. It's cashew cinnamon milk actually, and together with the chocolate. What else can I say? It's just perfect. We're here at the smoothie bar, or like juice bar. Maddie recommended this place, so I'm gonna... Is it nice?
That is potent stuff. You only find it in this place.
You already said potent like 20 times today. Let's give it a try. Another green juice for today.
Potent. Ooh.
Is yours spicy?
Oh wow,
like
this is nice.
Lots of minerals.
Yours not spicy?
It's not spicy.
This tastes like celery. Maybe you just need to shake it.
So
But yeah, this is really nice. I'm not a really big green juice fan, but this one's
full
nice.
of tourists. But I mean, we're the biggest tourists with our vlogging cams, so we gotta embrace the other tourists.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just hopefully you get not fried on the scooter.
It's gonna be.
Maddie and Kali invited us over to their place. It's the Happy Villa. It's so amazing.
Yep.
It's a great fridge. It's not very good right now.
And they have a kitchen. This is so good.
Whole food, just no, I've seen much sadder fridges.
Oh wow.
There's a shower. So if it's raining,
Yeah, you can shower outside.
you don't even need to turn it on.
Oh wow, double shower.
How amazing is this, guys?
How is it in your business here?
I think it couldn't be better, right?
The only thing I don't like is if I'm in bed all the way upstairs and I have to go to the washroom before I go to bed. I have to come all the way back downstairs and have a shower.
And just having a kitchen, like when you travel and you can't make your own food as we do, it's kind of a hustle, but they are traveling for like months, so it's a bit worse, let's say, because if you only travel for a week, it's fine to go out and eat, but I would definitely miss it, and also make recipe videos and stuff like that. But yeah, this is so amazing. It's from Airbnb, so just go and check Airbnb for amazing places. It's jungle vibes and everything you can wish for, really. This is the staircase into the jungle. So cool. And this place right here, cafe or what it is, they have like a natural pool, and over there is an actual pool. It's a tourist attraction for sure, but I don't mind as long as it's really pretty and we can take some amazing pictures at the waterfall.
Oh, there's a swing in there.
Yeah, I want to do that.
Tried to swim all the way from up there to here, but I think it's just too much of a stream. Here it is, the Tegenungang waterfall. It looks really nice. There's another swing. But honestly, there's so many people here. Right? There are just too many people here.
It's not that bad.
I know it's not that bad. I hope we can get 1 or 2 pictures. Because the actual waterfall looks amazing. Just went into the waterfall swimming. It's actually a little bit chilly. I said before that there's no cold water on this island, which is kind of true because it's not cold, but compared to all the other, like even the ocean, it's chilly. But yeah, it's so nice, so refreshing in this heat, and I would really recommend this place because I love waterfalls, I love nature, but there is quite a lot of tourism here. So there are other waterfalls which aren't that crowded, and maybe we're gonna check it out if we have time, I don't know. But it's perfect, it's amazing. And the waterfall is pretty powerful. Like when you're in there, a lot of waves and streams and... That's it, that's a wrap for this waterfall. It's too sunny, so we didn't manage to take a picture of like the actual waterfall. Thank you, Cloud, for coming out now, but we're gonna go for some food, and we took some pictures, which is good. How did you guys like it? Now subscribe to my or to every one of us, it doesn't matter.
Maddie.
It
Yeah,
was beautiful.
it was right.
The waterfall was so powerful, and wasn't too crowded.
Yeah, it's off season as well, so I think it's
really,
that
really
nice. So you would recommend this place?
Yeah, I would.
Yeah.
It's pretty close to town. It's only like, how long did it take us here? 20 minutes?
Yeah, 20-30 minutes, something like that.
It's a good drive.
It's fine.
Scenic drive, beautiful waterfall.
It is.
And it's also
Nothing
nice
else
just
you
to
could
get
wish
out of the center of Ubud and see what the surrounding is all about. I always love to get out of a place and get a picture of what the neighborhood, the surrounding looks like. And what can I say? Lots of rice fields, nature, jungle vibes, and just...
I love the leaves over here. Just look at them. They're so big, so colorful, so amazing.
You get
Palm
this total
trees.
feeling of abundance.
Yeah.
Like nature, fruits. You see so many banana trees and wow.
Everything is thriving.
Nothing
like
is
crazy.
scarce.
Yeah. We arrived at a vegetarian-vegan buffet. I hope it's really delicious because I'm kind of hungry. And this place is actually kind of weird. It's called 9 Angels. So it works by trust. They don't have prices. You just put in a jar at the end of your food how much it was worth to you. So yeah, let's check it out. This is my second plate. This is Ferdinand's second plate. You're just too crazy, dude.
Yeah, because I don't want to be normal. I want to be crazy, strong, weird, huge, massive.
Alright. So I'm gonna pay 50,000, which is like for €4 something, I don't know. But the really funny thing is that you just clean your own dishes. Also selling these super cute necklaces. Look at it.
Being sweaty all the time, or you just adjust
And these
to the climate
rings.
and don't sweat all the
And you
time.
have books and art and like everything.
Axel
Like,
said he
what
doesn't
is
sweat
this
that much
place? Weird angle, I know. I'm just doing a little bit of yoga, a little bit of stretching. I feel so tight today. And I have this, how do you call it? Ada? Vein popping out of my forehead all the time. Every time I'm sweaty or I'm hot. But this place is so amazing. This is the yoga studio of the Ark. And I think I should come out of this pose. This is the yoga studio of the Ark. And just like everything, it's just open, and I've been here for the last hour just stretching, and I feel so tight. So I don't know why, probably because I haven't been stretching, that's why you feel it. But yeah, I just want to get my flexibility. Yeah, no, I don't want to get it back, I just want to keep it. And because I haven't really stretched in 2 weeks, I felt I needed to do something. And also I took a rest day yesterday and today, and I do also feel that. So yeah, stretching is always nice. And I think I'm also gonna do some handstands. Because yeah, in Berlin I have been doing it every day, and here I didn't. It's fine. Yeah, it's gonna be my exercise for today. And that's also already the whole vlog. Because Ferdinand is like a little bit sick-ish. I think he got a cold. No idea why. Maybe because of the airco, or because he went all out on Wanderlust and CrossFit. Or like everything together, just the travels. So he's just gonna sleep a little, take it easy. And we'll have a really chill night, as pretty much always. We're not gonna go out or party or drink. We love to go to bed pretty early, just watch some YouTube or just hustle. I love today, it was amazing. I already edited one picture with Maddie. It's a bum picture, so it's just we're facing away from the camera and our butts are in the camera. I love this picture so much. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I am really happy that you're sticking with me and all of the lovely comments I get. I'm so happy. I couldn't be more grateful. And also sharing my journey. It's not easy at times, because just talking to a camera feels so awkward sometimes, but I like it. It's just a way to improve yourself. And when I listen to myself on, like when I edit it, I hear how I pronounce words or see how I react to different things, and then I can just improve myself, which is great. Like last year, the first video I uploaded, it's so bad I couldn't even make it through one sentence without a cut, and now I can just speak pretty much as long as I want to, and I don't care about making mistakes or pronouncing a word wrong. Then I just repeat it, you know. Alright, I'm just ranting. Thank you so much for watching, and keep up the good vibes. I hope you can get a little smile out of my vlogs when I show you this amazing, beautiful place. It's just so crazy that there are so many crazy, amazing places in the world, and I would love to see it all. Or just live somewhere. Like Germany's fine, especially in summer. I really don't mind it, and I love the infrastructure. I love that we have shops with like good products and actually also reasonable prices for most of the products, and have good healthcare and stuff like that. Although I need to pay too much and I never go to the doctor. But in case something happens, there would be taken good care of me. But I think here too, I'm not too sure. I don't want to go to the hospital here to find it out. But yeah, I just love that we can be outside all the time in February wearing like a skirt, and you really don't need a big jacket or big shoes. You can go into the pool whenever. Have amazing fruits. The fruits here. Yeah, we had some fruits today in the morning, but not that many. I want to have some pitayas again. So good. Like really, if you're here or anywhere, no, I think in Thailand they're not that great. That's what people said. I don't know, I haven't been to Thailand, but in Thailand or here in Bali, the pitayas are really great, but they're also in season right now. That's why they're so sweet. Alright, thank you so much. I love you so much, my scorpion minds. Mwah! And yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Hopefully. Have we something planned? Oh, we're gonna go to the gym and stuff and eat. Okay. Have a great night. I will see you tomorrow here on my channel. Okay, one last thing, guys. We're just going out for some food, and this sky is so amazing. It looks like Miami, or even better. It goes from like blue